What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about AMP Futures. AMP Futures is a leading futures brokerage that caters to both novice and experienced traders with its extensive range of trading platforms and ultra-low commission rates. With commitment to exceptional customer service and flexible account options, AMP Futures empowers traders to navigate the markets with confidence and ease. Now, let's take a look at some of its services. Self-directed online trading. AMP Futures offers a self-directed online execution service that grants traders independent control over order placement. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who prefer autonomy in their trading process, as it ensures speedy order execution and confirmation. Unlike many discount online firms, AMP Futures enhances the trading experience by providing multiple layers of customer support. Traders can access all major electronic and open outcry future markets, allowing for a more diversified trading portfolio and the ability to capitalize on various market opportunities. MetaTrader Market. The MetaTrader Market is the largest online store for trading robots and technical indicators, and it is accessible through AMP Futures. With over 1,500 applications available, traders can find tools that align perfectly with their strategies, whether they are looking for scalpers, martingale robots, or neural networks. This platform allows users to test and optimize trading robots before purchase, ensuring they meet specific needs. Additionally, the ability to buy, rent, or download free applications caters to both novice and professional traders. The secure payment system and buyer protection further enhance user confidence in transactions, making it a valuable resource for enhancing trading efficiency. Domestic and foreign introducing brokers. AMP Futures provides a program specifically designed for domestic and foreign introducing brokers, offering them a unique opportunity to partner with a reputable brokerage. This program allows brokers to access competitive commissions and a wide range of trading services, which can significantly enhance their offerings to clients. By leveraging AMP's robust infrastructure and support, IBs can foster business growth and improve client satisfaction. This collaboration benefits both the brokers and their clients by providing improved trading conditions and resources, ultimately leading to a more successful trading experience. AMP CQG exchanges. AMP Futures offers access to CQG exchanges, which are renowned for their high-performance trading technology. Traders benefit from a reliable and efficient trading environment, which is crucial for executing trades swiftly and accurately. CQG's advanced charting and analytics tools enhance traders' decision-making capabilities, allowing them to navigate the markets more effectively. This feature is particularly advantageous for high-frequency traders and those requiring real-time data, as it provides the tools necessary to capitalize on market movements quickly and efficiently. Rhythmic Trading Technology. Rhythmic provides a cutting-edge trading platform that is integrated with AMP Futures, offering low-latency trading essential for executing trades at optimal prices. This technology is designed for serious traders who demand speed and reliability, making it suitable for both day traders and institutional clients. The platform's advanced features, including comprehensive data and analytics, empower traders to make informed decisions quickly. By utilizing Rhythmic's robust capabilities, traders can enhance their overall trading performance and gain a competitive edge in the markets. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. One notable drawback of AMP Futures is the high wire withdrawal fees, which are set at $30 per transaction. This fee can significantly impact traders who frequently withdraw funds, especially those who may need to move their capital quickly or regularly. While the broker does not charge for deposits or ACH withdrawals, the steep cost associated with wire transfers can deter some clients from utilizing this method, potentially leading to frustration and dissatisfaction. AMP Futures primarily focuses on futures and options on futures, which results in a relatively thin product portfolio compared to other brokers that offer a broader range of financial instruments such as stocks, ETFs, and CFDs. This limitation may not meet the need of traders looking for diversified trading options or those who wish to engage in different asset classes. As a result, clients who want to explore various investment opportunities may find AMP Futures less appealing, as they would need to open accounts with multiple brokers to access a wider array of products. Customer support at AMP Futures has received mixed reviews from users, with some reporting excellent assistance while others experience slow or vague responses. This inconsistency can be problematic for traders who rely on timely and effective support, particularly during critical trading moments or when issues arise. New traders in particular may find the varying quality of support challenging, as they may require more guidance and assistance as they navigate the complexities of future trading. This inconsistency could lead to frustration and lack of confidence in the brokerage's service quality. In conclusion, while AMP Futures offers a robust trading platform with competitive features and low commissions, it's essential for potential clients to weigh the drawbacks such as high withdrawal fees and a limited product portfolio. By carefully considering these factors, traders can make informed decisions that align with their trading goals and preferences. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.